Hello, this is Jammal Baba. Today is January 23rd, year 2024. I got an Abibu track from the archives. It was tucked away and I was able to kind of track it down, pull it for you guys. In this one, he listed his band members. And this was post Buckner and pre when Lefty Salami played with his band in the last few phases of his life, of Abibu's life. Like I told you guys, his first real lead drummer was Buckner, the rhythmic drum player. And the second lead drummer was Mimilọla. And the third one was Lefty Salami. But the snapshot of this band list was when the band lead drummer was Mimilọla. And he's going to go through the list of his band members. So let's do it this way. Let's try and ignore what Mimilọla was saying in the drum beat. Let's try. Just ignore him. Let's just focus on the lyrics first. Let's do the lyrics segment first. I'm going to try, but you guys still need to try. Let's just stay with the lyrics. And then we'll come back to the drum beat after that. Okay? So here we go. This is Abibu Oluwa's band. It's an early 20th century sakara genre from Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. So the band was in existence from late 20s till early 60s when Abibu Oluwa himself passed. Okay, so let's take a snapshot of his band members. Ṣáma wuwa rere o, ìwà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ èèyàn o. Ebi ni wọ́n ń dá para wọn, ebi ni wọ́n ń dá para wọn. Ìran otoṣi tí yan ọlọrọ lólè, ebi ni wọ́n ń dá para wọn. Àmọ́ lete-lete ò pa lójú ẹni, ẹ̀yin ẹni là ń gbin imọran. Bójú bá kojú ẹnu àrí dẹrẹ-dẹrẹ. Nínú àtàndá, ID Ìdòwú, Yunusa Àkànbí, Arómúrẹ́ Àyìndé, Salami Alabi, Lámídì Àyìnlá, Ládi Ìyàndá, Audu Àyìnlá, kọ́ba má yà yín, ó là fi ń ṣayé, ìwà ní ngbe ní alijọnna, ká fẹ́ sọ ṣayé ayé yìí pẹlẹngẹ. wá wọ́n bú wa wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá o wọ́n pè wá lóráyè wọ́n láwa lè ló ṣọ́. Wuwa wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá o wọ́n pè wá lóráyè wọ́n láwa lè ló ṣọ́. Ọlá ní àlàáfíà Ọlọ́run kò fọ̀run kẹ́. Mákànjú ọlá Muideen yáfi àlàáfíà kọ́lọ́run kò fọ̀run kẹ́. May his soul rest in peace. Mákànjú ọlá Muideen Mákànjú ọlá. So down. Guys. So when he was listing his band members, he didn't put his own name there, right? But each of those guys, when he called them, he inserted their Yoruba Oriki name in it. So you will notice when he called Mimilọla, he didn't say Mimilọla Adebayọ. He didn't put Mimilọla's last name. So he said Mimi Atanda. So which gives you it now you know that Mimi's Oriki is Atanda. Mimi Atanda ID Idowu. Adimokoriko àwọn tọ̀run ID Idowu. Yinusa Akanbi. Aromure Ayinde. Salami Alabi. Lamidi Ayinla. Ladi Iyanda. Audu Ayinla. So he gave us their list, the name of their list. But he himself is Abibu Ayinde. Abibu Ayinde. So if he had listed his name at the beginning, he would have said Abibu Ayinde. So go. Abibu, it will have been Abibu Ayinde, Mimi Atanda, ID Idowu, Yinusa Akanbi, Aromure Ayinde, Salami Alabi, Lamidi Ayinla, Ladi Iyanda, Audu Ayinla. Ọba, Kọbalúwa máyà yìn o. Owó la fi ń ṣayé, ìwà ní ngbe ní dàlíjọnna. Ká fẹ́ sọjá ayé yìí pẹlẹngẹ. That's a beat for you. Now, let's hear it again. Since we stayed with the program, we didn't really mouth off on the talking drum. Let's see what the talking drum says. Okay, here we go. Ọlọrun ò pa mí, mi ò ní para mi ò ṣọ̀rẹ́ tulasi. Jẹ́fẹ́ tún gbọ́ again. Màá fà sẹ́yìn kẹ́ tuntun gbọ́. Jẹ́ tuntun lù yẹn gbọ́. Màmí mi ò ní para mi ò ṣọ̀rẹ́ tulasi. Rere lẹ́jọ́ eyan o. Ìrókò tó ń bẹ́kùn ń ijọgbọn yóò wulẹ̀ kú. Ẹ máa gbọ́, màá fà sẹ́yìn again. Yóò wulẹ̀ kú ẹranko tí ń bẹ́kùn ń ṣèjọ̀gbọ̀n yóò wulẹ̀ kú. Yóò wulẹ̀ kú. Ẹranko tó bẹ́kùn ó ijọgbọn yóò wulẹ̀ kú. Abibu ní ẹnikankan kọ́, Mimilọla ní ẹnikankan kọ́, Abibu ní ẹnikankan kọ́, ọmọ Gbàdàmọ́sí, Áìdì, Ìdòwú, wọn kan kọ́. Alápánṣọpá rọ, alápánṣọpá rọ, nìkan ò dá ogun jà. Irọ́ alápánṣọpá, irọ́ ẹnìkan yìí dá ogun jà. Irọ́. Pàǹpà abatẹnijẹ́ má bà tèmi jẹ́, mo bẹ̀ o kò yẹ mí. Bíbù ọmọ Balógun mú bí ẹ̀yà Àbíbù ọmọ Balógun òjò pa pé kó bá. This is bad. Only Abibu ọmọ Balógun amúbíẹyà Abibu, Àyìndé ọmọ Balógun òjò pa wèrèpè dẹni akọlù. Wèrèpè cow each. Òjò wá pa. Now, àwọn tí ò tó kọlù. Then the lyrics wọ́n sọ pé, then the lyrics comes back. Wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá. Wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá o. Wọ́n pè wá lólóraye. Wọ́n láwa lè lò ṣọ́. What's Oloraye? When I first heard it, I took a beat on it. For me, Oloraye, I thought it meant like, I don't have time. Hell no. Wọ́n pè wá ní Oloraye. A fool. Ẹni tí iye ẹ̀ ti rá. Iye. Their sensibility. Ó ti rá. Wọ́n pè wá lólóraye. Oloraye. Wọ́n láwa lè lò ṣọ́. In the old one that I can't seem to find this other song, he used that similar line my Alajobi told me about. But in that one, he says, wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá. Wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá o. Wọ́n pè wá lólóraye. Wọ́n láwa ń ṣe gúnnú. They call us a fool, following the Igunu traditional masquerade about. But in this one, only wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá. Wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá o. Wọ́n pè wá lólóraye. Wọ́n láwa lè lò ṣọ́. Jammal kò máa wọṣọ ṣá, máa look nice. Ṣé fún ọkàn waste owó rẹ̀ láti wọṣọ dáadáa, láti stay clean. Wọ́n gbàgbé pé cleanliness is next to godliness. Wọ́n lò ṣọ́. Wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá. Wọ́n bú wa kò dùn wá o. Wọ́n pè wá lólóraye. wọ́n láwa lè lóṣọ. Then Mimi then says, Abibu ọmọ Balógun amúbíẹ̀yá. Ẹ̀yá is a sharp knife that they use, the Yoruba use for tapping the palm tree. So it's really sharp. But is a nickname for someone with a quick wit. Verbal quick wit. It has a quick comeback. It's good with his words. So ọmọ amúbíẹ̀yá Àyìndé ọmọ Balógun òjò pa wèrèpé ó dẹni à ń kọlù. Let's keep going. Sometimes I wish we were born earlier so that we could kind of like study him live. But Allah knows best. Ìrókò tó gbà bọ̀dé bíbẹ́ni lálàáfíà Ọlọ́run kò fọ̀run kẹ́. Bíbẹ́ni ìrókò tó gbà bọ̀dé. Bíbẹ́. Ọlọhun ò pami, mi ò ní para mi, mi ò ṣọ̀rẹ́ tulasi. That's what the opening drum Mimi came right off the gate with. Mi ò ṣọ̀rẹ́ tulasi. Yóò wulẹ̀ kú. Abibu ní ẹnikankan kọ́. Irọ́ ẹnìkan kì í dógun jà. Irọ́. Alápá ń ṣánpá. Many people that can mess with you ordinarily, but when you are compromised, they could disrespect you. kò dùn wá o. Wọ́n ń pè wá lólóraye. Wọ́n láwa lè lò ṣọ́. Má kánjú ọlá. K'Ọlọrun kó fọ̀run kẹ́. Má kánjú ọlá Muyideen. K'Ọlọrun kó fọ̀run kẹ́. I'm not sure if Muyideen Makanjuola was one of their band members that they lost or is one of the Patreon. But since he was listing his band member, it's not an unreasonable deduction to deduce that maybe he was one of their band members that passed. You guys leave comment. You guys stay blessed.